What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you clicked on this video. Because today I am in Florida. Oh, you can't see anything but like a bunch of buildings, but um I am in Florida. We are staying here at the Caribe Royal. I am definitely going to give you a room tour. I think, what time is it? It is 3:55, and I just ordered some groceries from Winn-Dixie, and not really groceries, but I ordered like water and some popcorn, chips and salsa, just like snacks we can have in the room. We are here until Monday, or actually Monday morning. So I just thought to order like stuff we can use now. Our goal is to go over to Disney Springs. I gotta find out what time they close. I also need to purchase tickets for Animal Kingdom tomorrow. So, but yeah, we are here. I am super excited. We got here really early at like 9:30. But because I did not go to sleep last night because I was busy packing, we just came in the room and like literally crashed. KJ did get a chance to go to the playground and like play around a little bit, but he didn't have a swim trunk, so he was kind of bummed about that. But yeah, I am here. I'm excited. Everything went really, really well. I flew on Spirit, and I really hate Spirit. I'm gonna just put that out there, but it wasn't a bad flight. Everything is just working out really well. It's super, super warm here. It's like 89 degrees in October, where back home we had a freeze advisory. So, I mean, to go from a freeze advisory to like 90-degree weather is truly amazing. But I've been talking way too long. So next clip you're going to see is a room tour. Hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to give it a like and also subscribe to my channel because I want to have more stuff like this. I want to do more stuff. But, can't do it if, I don't know if you're interested. But anyway, come along with us and enjoy this vacation with us. Bye. All right, so I am back. I am about to do an official room tour here at the Caribe Royal. This is a 2-bed suite, I guess is what it is. But anyway, let me take you around, and the lighting looks super yellow, but again, don't mind that. Just enjoy the room tour. Here we go. So once again, I am here at the Caribe Royal, and this is the front door. And around here you have a desk and a chair. You got my little cutie pie there sleeping. As you can see, there is a couch that lets out into a bed. You have a, what do you call it, end table and a chair. I will say the couch is not that comfortable, but whatever. Then you have like this whole setup here. Let me just do that. We was watching a little Judge Mathis, but apparently he went off in his divorce court. In this cabinet here, and I have sanitized everything myself, but here is a large refrigerator. As I mentioned, very large refrigerator. As I mentioned, I did make a shipped order, so I'm waiting for that to come. So you have the refrigerator, you have the microwave, and then here it looks like you just have some drawers. Of course, you have a TV. They do have the remote in the bag. And then here, those are my alcohol wipes. I've been wiping everything down. You have a little coffee station here. They do have the 2 Fiji waters there, but they are $5 a piece. And then you have the coffee pot, and then you have kind of like your ice. I did get ice earlier, but I think it melted. Again, I think these are just drawers. And then you kind of go through, I'm gonna back up, and then we're gonna go through here down this hallway. And I guess I'll just take you into the bathroom first. Nothing special In here is just your typical hotel bathroom, tub, shower type thing. It is pretty spacious in here. Yeah, like it's just very standard. Then we're gonna pan around and you have your sink, you have me. Like it's no LED lighting. We stayed at the Swan the last time and the Swan had LED lighting, but the Swan also, their bathroom was like really small. Here you have the closet, and inside the closet, those are our coats that we definitely won't be using. Pretty spacious closet, if I do say so. I see an iron, but is there an iron board? Yeah, there's an iron board. This door, I don't think opens. I don't know what's going on with that. But kind of want to swing you this way. Sorry. Two queen beds. Like I said, I haven't unpacked. I'm not really big on like unpacking my stuff, putting them in the drawers. But I do want to put like my toiletries and stuff in the bathroom. So again, you have the two queen beds here, a nightstand, and then this view is beautiful. Oh yeah, it's picking up. You have the other tower over there. We are currently in tower 2, I believe. And I believe across is tower 1 or tower 3. But this is amazing. The view, I will say that I can hear the music from the pool, but you know, that's to be expected when you like basically have a pool view. But yes, this is quite amazing and will be one of my pictures for Instagram tomorrow. And if you haven't already, because you probably haven't, because I probably haven't talked about it, definitely follow me on Instagram. I am Forever Jamisha at Instagram. Again, you have a dresser, KJ's apple juice that he didn't drink, and his pair of socks. A nice size TV here. You also have a mirror here and a lamp. So this is pretty much the room. The receptionist did say that they haven't started renovating yet. Because I asked if my room was like a renovated room, because I had saw on Expedia where they said that the rooms were renovated, but she said that ours was not. She actually said that they hadn't started on any renovations, but that's not what I read on Expedia, so whatever. But yeah, that is our room. I'm going to take you through once again our room. Sleepyhead little boy over there. See, he's had a long day. He's been up since, I want to say 4 o'clock, with little naps here and there, but not much. So yeah, that is the room. Again, divorce court is on. Take it down there. But yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this room tour of the Caribbean, not Caribbean. Hope you enjoyed this room tour of the Caribe Royal 2 queen bed room suite. If you have any questions, let me know down at the bottom. I would love to give you my suggestions, as well as a really good review if I haven't done so already. Thank you. And don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.